Theta Network has become the #1 decentralized content distribution network, and for good reason. Their technology just keeps getting better and better, and recently they just dropped details on their brand new TDROP token, which is going to help to further the NFT ecosystem on the platform and incentivize things in a whole new way that I think is going to explode the NFT ecosystem here on Theta. Are you ready? And thanks again for joining me. So today we're talking all about one of my most favorite projects out there, and that's Theta Network. Theta is a content distribution network, or a CDN, that is decentralized. And so what that means is they allow these different nodes to hold decentralized data, in particular data like video, and it can be distributed by these different nodes. So you run a node on Theta and you can distribute pieces of content to other people around the globe, just like you'd see kind of like Cloudflare and how that works, but this works in a decentralized manner. Today we're talking about details on their brand new TDROP token, which is going to incentivize a lot of the NFT portion of the network, and there's actually even going to be airdrops of this token. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn exactly if you're going to be getting some of those TDROP tokens for free. But before we get into all the details, if you're a fan of gaming, NFTs, and earning money in crypto, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you want to continue to maximize your gaming profits with me. So when it comes to this new TDROP token, this is part of the Theta Mainnet 3.0 rollout. Now, they've rolled out this new 3.0 not too long ago, and to date, there's already some really good metrics on this. 40% of all T-Fuel is now being staked now that 3.0 is rolled out. There are 8,000 elite edge nodes out there that are running, and they've been successful with their recent NFT platform called TDROP, where they've been partnering with a bunch of different creators and different entities like the World Poker Tour, to be able to drop some exclusive NFTs on their community, and really fleshing out what NFTs mean on Theta and how they work. And so I was very fortunate and pleased to be able to be a part of the World Poker Tour drop, which was the very first Theta drop they ever did, and we had a lot of fun doing that. And those NFTs have been selling incredibly well, and they've continued that with a bunch of different creators, including Katy Perry coming to Theta Drop later this year. So that is huge news, and is a good sign that the NFT ecosystem is really picking up. But what they've done now is they've introduced a third token to the Theta network. This is called TDROP, and it is a TNT20 token, so kind of similar to an ERC20 token. It is a native Theta network token, and this token is going to be used to incentivize NFT liquidity mining on the marketplace. So that way that you can expand the ecosystem there, and you can get more people trading on the platform. And so if you you have these TDROP tokens, they're going to be able to work for you in a couple of different ways. Now the supply on this TDROP token is about 20 billion, and which is a pretty big supply, but they're going to be airdropping it in a certain way to a bunch of people, and you'll be able to earn the TDROP as well. This is all going to be taking place sometime next year around February, so it's not coming anytime very soon, but they are focusing on trying to get it out there. But with the TDROP token, you'll be able to earn the TDROP every time you make a purchase or you buy and sell on any of the Theta marketplaces using T-Fuel. Now, if you're using USD, you're not getting those TDROP rewards, but if you're using T-Fuel to buy some of these things, you're going to be getting and earning TDROP for every one of those purchases, which I think is pretty cool. Now, in addition to rewards on the marketplace in TDROP, you'll also be getting access to exclusive NFTs for TDROP holders. So that might be physical merch or other NFT collections, or getting on early on one of these sales. So there'll be benefits in addition to just the actual rewards that you'll get just for buying and selling. So holding those TDROP tokens is another incentivization as well. And one of the cool things about this too is that Theta has really thought ahead of time, and they understand that people can kind of wash trade on some of these platforms. You've seen some other platforms that have marketplace tokens that reward you for how much you're buying and selling on the platform, like Rarible. And so they have what they call a reward cooldown mechanism, which will not allow you to earn tokens on wash trading, which I think is incredibly important. So in addition to everything that I've just talked about and getting your T fuel or your T-drop for spending T fuel on the platform, and that having T-drop, you can use it to incentivize liquidity on the platform, and then you're going to get exclusive drops and rewards for holding T fuel. It is also going to act as a governance token. So they haven't gone into a ton of detail on what they may allow you to govern over, but it is one of those features that we see for most of these tokens, is that there is going to be some sort of governance tied to it. So now, one of the biggest portions here of this T-drop, where the T-drops are going to be allocated for the rewards on the platform and for liquidity mining, and a few tokens for the team as well. A lot of these tokens are going to be airdropped to the enterprise validators and Guardian node holders. So if you have a Guardian node and you run a Guardian node for Theta, then there is going to be an airdrop of these T-drop tokens over a course of 18 months. So as a Guardian node holder, you'll be able to get a little piece of that as they do that. And then as we reach, full rollout of the platform, the goal here is for all node operators, edge node operators, to be able to hold the data of these NFTs within their edge nodes. And so then those node operators will then be paid 1% of NFT market transactions that are being supported by their node. So there's yet another way to earn these T-drop tokens by operating one of these elite edge nodes. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. The Guardian nodes are the governance type of nodes, and edge nodes are what distribute the different content pieces around the network. So wherever you want to get in on this T-drop staking mechanism or earning mechanism, you have a different way of doing it. Maybe you're going to do all three. You're going to be buying and selling the platform, you're going to be hodling, providing liquidity, and then also maybe you're also running both a Guardian node and an edge node. It's possible, and you can reap the most amount of rewards. So pretty excited about this new token they have dropped here, because it's all about NFTs and furthering the NFT ecosystem on Theta. And I truly believe that Theta is going to be a major player in the NFT scene, because they've already understood exactly what it takes to do a successful drop and to get high-level creators creating on their platform and incentivizing people to want to buy and sell on the Theta network. And I definitely have some really cool things in development on Theta as well around NFTs, so I can't be more excited about some of these developments myself. Now, in addition to all these things as well, they're also going to be kind of timing the launch of this T-drop token with their new Theta Swap decentralized market or DEX. So it's very much like a Uniswap, where you'll be able to swap different tokens on the network, so that'll be a pretty key piece to completing this whole ecosystem as well. So hopefully you guys like that breakdown of T-drop, why it's important, and who is going to be getting the airdrop of these tokens for free, and how you can actually earn some T-drop yourself. Just keep buying on those Theta drop markets, and you'll be able to play and earn, or buy and earn in this kind of case, right? We know we love playing to earn, but this is more of like buying to earn, right? So you're getting a little stake in the network because of that. Let me know what you guys think about T-drop. If you think it's going to affect the Theta network in a good or bad way, I'd love to hear that in the comments. That's all we have for today, folks. Until next time, stash that crypto, friends.